Guys, ako nga pala si Christopher Villapuertelakap, muli nagbabalik para turuan kayo. And this time, our topic is dividing polynomials, and gagamitin natin ay long division. So, let's proceed. Wait lang, ayusin muna natin, syempre. So, as you can see, itong dividend, ito ang problem natin is dividend. So, 2x cubed plus x squared minus 6x minus 8. And ito naman ay divisor. So, x minus 2. So, nandito yung mga 4 basic steps. Una na rito yung divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ba gamitin itong mga steps na to. Okay lang. So, una na rito, i-divide natin yung dividend sa divisor. So, una, divide, diba? Gagawin natin dito ay, i-start muna tayo sa first term of dividend. So, ito, asan ang first term? Hanapin nyo. Ito ang first term ng dividend. 2x cubed. And yung first term din naman ng divisor. Ito, which is x. So, meron tayong 2x cubed. So, dito natin siya lalagay. 2x cubed over first term ng divisor, x. So, x cubed over x, pag sinimplify natin siya, is equals to, hulaan nyo. Hindi, tuturuan ko kayo. Is equals to x cubed, ay x squared. Mali. X squared talaga. So, ikakopy na natin to dito. So, 2x squared. Ilalagay naman natin tong 2x squared dito. 2x squared. Next naman natin na step ay multiply. I-multiply lang naman natin tong 2x cubed dito sa x. 2x cubed times x is equals to 2x cubed. 2x squared pala to. Sorry. And next step naman natin, multiply pa rin syempre. So, i-multiply naman natin itong 2x cubed, 2x squared pala, multiply by x is equals to 2x cubed. So, next step naman ay 2x squared times negative 2 is equals to negative 4x squared. So, nakuha nyo. So, magpro-proceed naman tayo sa subtract. Subtract naman tayo ngayon, ha. Wait lang, kalma nyo. And, pag nag-subtract ka naman, it will lead you to addition. So, parang mag-change sign sa. Wait lang. Kuha tayo ng ibang marker. Ayan. So, yung positive 2 magiging negative. Negative 2. Then, yung negative 4x squared magiging positive 4x squared. Plus yan, ha. Paangat lang yung Baka naman. Ngayon, nag-change sign siya. Then, i-add na natin. So, we have 2x cubed plus negative 2x cubed. So, it's equals to 0. 0, syempre. Then, next naman ay 2x squared plus positive 4x squared. So, is equals to 5 positive 5x squared. Kasi nga, meron tayong coefficients of 1 dito. Yan. 1 yan ah. And pang-apat naman na step is bring down. So, i-bring down lang natin tong 6. Negative 6x. Negative 6x. Ayan. Tas, next step naman natin ay divide ulit. So, i-divide lang naman natin tong first term, which is 5x sa x sa divisor. First term ng divisor. As you can see, the answer is equals to positive 5x. Yan. And next step ay multiply naman natin. Positive 5x multiply by x. So, the answer is 5x squared. 5x squared. Next step naman, 5x times negative 2 is equals to negative 10x. Negative 10x. So, tapos na tayo mag-multiply. Sunod naman natin ay subtract. Yan. So, subtract ay magiging addition. And positive 5 magiging negative 5. Then, negative 10 magiging positive 10x. Mag-change sign lang siya. So, meron tayong 5x squared plus negative 5x squared is equals to 0. Then, negative 6x plus positive 10x is equals to 4x plus 4x. So, tapos na tayo mag-subtract. And lastly, bring down ulit. So, i-bring down lang natin tong negative 8. Then, mag-proceed tayo sa divide ulit. So, divide naman natin. See, 4x divide x is equals to plus 4. Plus 4. Then, sunod naman ay multiply. So, positive plus 4x multiply x is equals to is 4x. Sunod naman 4 times negative 2 is equals to negative 8. Sunod naman, so tapos na tayo sa multiply, magsusubtract ulit tayo. Paulit-ulit lang, parang nothing happens, pero may nangyayari naman. Let's proceed na. Subtraction. Tara, kalma nyo. Subtraction is magiging addition. Ganun lang, paulit-ulit lang, mga nangyayari. And positive, it will going to be negative. Then negative, it will going to be positive. Yan. Nag-change sign lang, paulit-ulit ako, diba? Sana may magets kayo at matutunan. What will happen here is this is 0 and this is 0. and meaning 0 ang answer, and the remainder is 0. Then the answer for the first is ito na lahat. Ayan. That's the final answer. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Ganyan natin siya ginawa. Sana may natutunan kayo. And pa-like and subscribe.